In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jotform in GoDaddy website. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a live Jotform embedded right on your GoDaddy website, ready to collect responses. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy into the search bar, then click the official GoDaddy website result and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, great. You'll land on your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your username to open the account menu. From there, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything you own with GoDaddy. Find the website you want to edit and click it to open the Website Builder editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page and spot where you want the form to appear. Click the plus sign to add a new section. A panel of section types will open. Scroll or search for the Files and Web category, then select HTML. Choose the option that says Embed Custom Code on the page. This creates a section with a code box where you'll paste your form's embed code. Now switch over to Jotform in a new tab and open the form you want to place on your site. At the top, go to the Publish tab. On the left, select Embed. You'll see the standard embed code ready to use. Click Copy Code. The default embed works for most sites and automatically adjusts the form's height, which helps it look good on both desktop and mobile. Return to your GoDaddy editor and click into the Custom Code field. Paste the Jotform embed code you just copied. Give it a moment. Your form should appear in the live preview inside the section. If the preview is blank, double-check that you pasted the entire code and that there are no extra characters before or after it. When everything looks right, click Done to insert the section into your page. You can drag the section to fine-tune its position and use the section settings to adjust spacing so the form has enough room to breathe. It's a good idea to use the site's mobile preview to ensure the form fits nicely on smaller screens. From here, save your changes, and when you're ready, publish your site so visitors can start using the form. If you ever update the form in Jotform, those changes will reflect automatically on your site without re-embedding. That's it. Your Jotform is now added to your GoDaddy website and ready to collect submissions.